Hello guys, welcome back to Coding. So guys, I hope you are taking care of yourself, having a lovely time, and thank you so much for the 700 subscribers. So keep supporting and keep smiling and understand each and every concept clearly. So in today's lesson, what we are going to learn, we are going to learn about the create view, some built-in functions, the alter command and the drop command. So these are some of the miscellaneous topics which are left from all the SQL statement. So you need to check out the full playlist. I posted everything about the database things, that is how we can perform database, what do you mean by SQL, each and everything in this desired playlist. So do check the full playlist for the detailed video, and also you can check other playlists at the present on my YouTube channel, and also like it, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started with the video without wasting any time and understand these steps one by one. Very first topic in this video today is that is the create view command. So we have done different types of things like earlier, that how we are going to perform a select query, what are different ways through which we perform a select query. So we also have a create view command. So what do we mean by a create view command? Basically a create view command is a virtual table with no data but can be operated like any other table. Means whatever, whenever I'm talking about this view, basically it is a view like a window through which you can view or change information in a table. Basically it will just show you the view. You can update, make changes, insert into a table and perform any other table, but it will not be the actual table, it will just be the virtual table in which you are performing all the things. So now how we have to perform this and what is the basic syntax. So first of all you have to write create view. The type of view you need to specify, that what type of view you want to use. So for example, I have taken a view that is text pay for the employees. So I have taken the create view as text pay. As select star from employee, I am going to select the data that I want from the employee table. So I have taken select star. Select star means all the data that I want from the employee table, where I have specified the gross should be greater than 8,000. Means I just want to create a view for the text pay where the gross is more than 8,000. Only that details will be displayed to me. So the view will be having the details of those employees having gross than more than 8,000. Now this view can be used to perform on any other table. It can be queried, update, inserted, deleted, etc. And insert, delete and queried can be only based upon the allowing of the thing. Means suppose say if you are being allowed by the main administrator to perform this query, then only you can perform this. So this view can be queried just by simply writing select star from text page. When I want to use this view, so what I will write, select star from text page. As soon as I will write select star from text page, this will perform all the content that I get in the create view will be performed, and I can work with that view accordingly. You can change the view according to the type, whether you want to give with the text space some specific things, or with the select statement you want to give some specific thing. Accordingly you can work with the built-in functions also available in SQL, which help us to perform some tasks very easily and without any other thing. So for that we have some built-in functions that are present in database. So these are number one, lower. So when they are talking about lower, basically converts the given character expression into lowercase. As you can see, I have written over here hello in the double quotes, so it is converted into the smaller case letter, that is hello. Next we have the upper. Upper is used to convert the uppercase letter into the lowercase letter into the uppercase. So for that, what you are going to use, select upper from dual. Next we have the function that is available in into is this replicate function. So basically the replicate function repeats the given character expression based upon the number of times I want that expression. So here you can see I have written replicate star and hash comma 4, means I want star and hash 4 times, so it will replicate that function accordingly 4 times. Next function that I am using over here is a substring. So basically the substring will given a number of characters from a character string expression starting at the specified startup. So for here I have written that pointer. Pointer I have written over here and I have given that 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 is 3 from the start position and comma 2 the number of characters. The 3 present over here is the start position and the 2 is the number of characters. So I have written 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 3 points to I, and 2 characters means I and in. So that is printed over here. Suppose say you take over here comma 3. So or what it will print, I and T. This is the other function that is available, that is substring. Next function that we also have in the SQL is the system date. That is if I want to get the current system date. For that I am going to use select get date from dual. So as soon I will execute this query, what I will get, I will get the desired system date, that is the current system date right now on your system. The command that we use is the drop table command. So what do you mean by a drop table command? Previously in the one of the videos we have done that we have a delete command. So now what is the difference between a drop command and a delete command? So basically drop table command of SQL is used to drop the table from the database. The SQL requires you to empty table before eliminate it from database. Means whenever I want to drop a table, so what it should be done, it should have some empty columns and empty rows, then only I can drop the table. So now how I can drop the table? First of all, I need to perform the delete statement, that is the delete command. So to remove all the rows we use the delete command. So just simply we'll write delete from items. Then I want to drop that table, that I do not want that table to be present in the database. For that I will write drop table items. So as soon as I perform drop table items, what it will do, it will not present that table into the database, means item table will not be present in the database, and no longer I can check that table, no longer I can perform that any commands on that table. Anything activity that I want to perform, I cannot perform on that table. Now within the drop table we also have something that is a drop view. Now whenever talking about a drop view, what is the difference between drop view and the drop table? When I drop a view, as I already told you that how we need to create a view with a create view. In suppose say I drop that view that was text page, so it will drop the view from the database, but when the view is dropped, it does not perform any changes to the table, because I told you that the view is always a virtual part. So whenever I am going to drop the view, it will not affect any changes to the table. But if I drop the table, it will affect the table, and we have to drop the table only if I do not want that table any longer into my database, or I cannot perform any command when I am going to drop the table. So this is the basic difference between the dropping of the table and dropping of the view. The kind of command that we have is the alter table command. So whenever talking about alter table command, basically it is, as the name suggests, it is used to alter some contents of the table. So basically whenever using the alter table command, we can add columns to a table or we can modify the columns of the table. So basically alter table command has the following syntax: alter table, table name, add, column name, data type, and the size of the specific column that we want to add. It is generally possible to add several new columns separated by commas in a single command. It may be possible with the help of an alter table command with the help of the type of SQL supported by the DBMS. So the new column will be added with a null value for all the rows available currently in the table. So as you can see in this example also, we are providing a column name, that is the telephone number, with a type of integer in the table, that is employee. So we have written alter table employee, add telephone number integer. Whether you want to specify a size of that or you not, it is up to you, and accordingly we are going to add that column. Now next is the modify of the, with the help of alter table command. To modify existing column of a table, we also use the alter table command, but the expression over here will be changed. We will write alter table, table name, then the modify, column name, new data type, and the new size. So let us take the example over here. We have taken alter table employee, modify job column with the character of 30. Now we have what I have defined. Now the new data type of that will be character, and it will be of size 30. So this way we are altering the columns that are already present in the database with the help of add as well as the modify parts that are available in the alter command. So guys, I hope you must be clear about the different types of commands that are available in SQL and how do we work with each and every command. Do watch the full playlist. You will get access to every content, that what do you mean by SQL, what are different commands in SQL, what are joins, how do we need to perform all these things together. So guys, if you like the content I post, you to like it, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do follow me on my Instagram page. The link is the bio, and do let me know in the comment section what are the types of videos you want, and do stay tuned. I'm going to post soon some SQL questions that will really help you in exams and also understanding the concept of SQL very clearly. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling and take care.